As industry experts in the field of pneumatics, Parker-Hannifin takes great pride in safety, both in the workplace and on the machine. The safety exhaust valve is our latest innovation, and it is designed to safely and reliably exhaust pneumatic energy from the machinery in order to help protect people by reducing the risk of unexpected movement caused by residual or trapped pneumatic energy. The P33 valve design is based on requirements set forth by European Machinery Directive 2006/42/EC, as well as many other national regulations such as OSHA and CSA, which guides the machine builder on risk elimination, machine safeguarding, and/or information about inherent dangers on a machine. In compliance with ISO 13849, a risk assessment must be performed in order to determine the safety performance level required, depending on the severity and frequency of the risk on the machine. This guides the machine builder based on the performance level needed to select suitable products for the safety circuit. Once the performance level for a safety function is determined, the engineer must select components for their safety control system based on the availability of products and the product's ratings for category MTTFD, mean time to dangerous failure, and DC, diagnostic coverage. Please note that to achieve performance level E, a valve must be redundant, capable of being monitored with a high diagnostic coverage, and have a high mean time to dangerous failure, MTTFD. The valve must be controlled by a safety relay or safety PLC. The safety system must also suitably pass common cause failure criteria so that a single fault does not lead to the loss of the safety function. A higher B10D, B10 dangerous valve means a higher MTTFD, mean time to dangerous failure, for the product. Parker offers a variety of safety valves to meet any performance levels and/or category requirement. Single-channel valves have a simple design and with a single input device, such as an on-off or e-stop button, offer a means of rapidly exhausting compressed air through a single channel. These valves are typically not monitored by any external means. The P33 externally monitored valves are designed to be monitored by external means to detect faults in the valve. To achieve the highest performance level, E and Category 4, the P33 safety valve design must be monitored by a safety device to check for fault status and prevent an auto restart after a fault is present. A standard PLC can also be used for monitoring instead of a safety device if a lower performance level, such as a PLD, is acceptable. The Parker safety valves feature a redundant design with two valve elements that incorporate a patented cross-flow technology, ensuring safe exhaust of pneumatic energy. When the valve is energized, air flows from the inlet at port 1 in series through the valve to port 2 to pressurize the machine. When an e-stop or other stop signal is provided, the valve shuts off the supply of air and exhausts in parallel from port 2 to port 3. Parallel exhaust provides a rapid exhaust of downstream pneumatic energy in the machine. Because of the valve exhaust flow capability, the air is rapidly exhausted, even in the event of a fault within the valve. Conditions at start. The safety exhaust valve starts with both valve pistons in the upper exhaust state, blocking inlet airflow while at the same time opening the outlet port pressure to the exhaust port. During normal operation, both solenoids at the top are energized, actuating pilot pressure, which causes both valve pistons to move to the lower open position. This opens the inlet airflow fully to the outlet port. At the same time, airflow to the exhaust port is blocked. A malfunction within the system or the safety valve itself could cause one valve piston to be closed while the other is open. If this condition is present, the safety valve defaults to an exhaust state, opening outlet pressure to the exhaust port. The innovative internal porting design ensures the malfunction conditions automatically result in outlet port pressures that are below 2% of inlet pressure. An external monitoring system may then react accordingly by shutting down power to the valve solenoids and any other system components necessary. Should the safety valve fail, it will always fail in the safe or open to exhaust state. The valve features high MTTFD, mean time to dangerous failure values, high diagnostic coverage values, high B10D values, externally monitored, easily reset once safe conditions are met, Easy to connect with 2 M12 cables, one dedicated to solenoids and a separate M12 connector for feedback to monitoring device, an optional adjustable soft start, a high flow rate and high exhaust rate for quick response to a safe state in the machine, compact size, non-clog exhaust silencer. The safety valve is best mounted alone or in an inline assembly with a global FRL product. It is best mounted at the end of an FRL assembly to ensure the safe and rapid exhaust of downstream pressure. Visit Parker.com for a complete range of safety products.